Welcome back, folks, to Make It Make Sense News. I'm your host, the undeniably sexy Lightskinned Baritone, here to break down the latest and greatest in the news. Now let's dive into a story that's hotter than a summer sidewalk: how Special Counsel Jack Smith is maneuvering through the legal maze of the Trump v. United States case. Special Counsel Jack Smith has recently filed a significant document in the Trump v. United States case, aiming to clarify evidence of Donald Trump's alleged conspiracy to overturn the 2020 election. This move follows the Supreme Court's controversial July 1st ruling, which granted Trump at least presumed immunity for official acts. You know, it's like they're saying, hey Donald, just keep doing what you're doing, because who can prosecute a guy who insists he's the greatest president ever, even while losing the popular vote? Chief Justice John Roberts and the conservative majority contended that any prosecution against Trump would need to prove it wouldn't intrude on presidential authority, creating a substantial barrier for Smith's case. It's almost as if they're handing him a get-out-of-jail-free card while he's busy trying to build a wall of immunity around himself. The Supreme Court's decision has allowed Trump to delay legal proceedings, remanding the case back to the D.C. District Court to determine whether Trump's actions qualify for immunity. I mean, at this point, Trump might as well change his title to Presidential Immunity Specialist. Smith's filing, however, strategically counters this ruling by emphasizing that Trump's actions, particularly his efforts to overturn the election, do not fall under official conduct and therefore should not be protected. He meticulously lays out the timeline of Trump's actions, beginning with his public claims of election fraud leading up to January 6th. Talk about a fake news plot twist. Smith's showing a pattern of private criminal behavior rather than official presidential conduct, and it's getting juicier than a reality TV drama. By drawing upon the Supreme Court's own legal standards, Smith argues that Trump's pressuring of Pence and other post-election activities should be seen as unofficial actions that lack immunity. He points out that these interactions primarily involve two candidates discussing electoral prospects rather than the duties of their respective offices. I guess it's hard to keep track of your official duties when you're busy plotting a coup, huh? While Smith's filing offers a robust defense against the Supreme Court's ruling, it still operates within the limitations imposed by that ruling, which has effectively given Trump a significant advantage. The ongoing legal battles raise critical questions about the balance of power and accountability in the U.S. presidency, especially as the 2024 election approaches. Who knew being the greatest president would come with such great legal headaches? And that's the scoop. Now, if that doesn't make your head spin, I don't know what will. Stay tuned, folks, because you won't want to miss what we have coming up next.